Are you ready to dive into the world of crypto trading, but you just do not know where to start? Everybody's talking about it online. You're seeing Bitcoin go to 100K, but you have no idea how to actually trade crypto like everybody says they do online. Well, guys, this video is for you. I'm going to show you a user-friendly platform. I'm going to show you how you can just begin your trading journey. It's very, very easy. I'm not going to show you how to trade. I'm going to show you how to get involved in this and then start doing your research into becoming a crypto trader. So guys, this platform is fantastic. Let's talk about it after this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purpose only. Let me show you how to get started in crypto trading. All right, here you go, guys. Looking at probably the best platform on the market right now if you're beginning in your crypto journey. Not only that, if you're an experienced trader, this is also what I use, and I've been trading for about 8 years. But this is Bybit. All right, Bybit is a user-friendly platform that actually allows you to feel comfortable starting your crypto journey. They don't need to pressure you into all these different coded words or crypto slang. All right, they just tell you exactly what you need to do to get started. And guys, it's honestly not that hard to begin the crypto journey. It's more hard to keep it up and research every token that you'll get involved with. That's where it becomes a little bit tricky. So going into Bybit, guys, you can see on the website here, you can make an account up at the top. Simply just sign up, okay? KYC your account, and then you are good to go. It's very transparent and very secure. So you can be rest assured, guys, that nothing's going to happen as long as you keep your information safe yourself. And if you deposit $100 today, you're actually going to get $20 back. Okay, and to get that, all you have to do is KYC your account and make sure that deposit of $100 is accepted before 7 days is up. You cannot withdraw for 7 days, but that's an extra $20 to get involved in everything we're talking about in this video. So why is crypto trading important? Guys, it's very important because you can see here, Crypto Bubbles is a platform that I use to check what's going on in the market. Now, there is nowhere else in the world that you can get into a market like this, not Forex, not stocks, nothing, where you can see crazy percents from projects that just launched about an hour ago. And that is why this is so special. As you see here in Crypto Bubbles, as we move around, this is a really cool little website. HBAR 110%. Look how many just for the week are over 70%, 48%, 58%, 73%, 52%, 49%. Some of these you probably haven't heard of. I've not heard of all of them. And that's why crypto trading is so special, because if you find a project that you like, you find a project that you've researched that actually you believe has good utility, it's not like stocks where you have to wait months and months and months of data analysis. You can get involved with crypto trading once you know how to trade it and see hundreds of percent growth rapidly. And you can do all that on Bybit, all right? And that's why this is the best platform out there, because it literally covers hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of different projects that you can trade with. Now, it only takes 30 seconds to get involved, guys. Like I said, create yourself an account. You make a deposit yourself using your card, your bank card fee, anything you want, or from a different crypto exchange, and then simply start trading. Okay, there is more products involved with Bybit as well, with a Bybit card, Bybit Earn, the copy trade, trading bot, Trade GPT, and Bybit Web3. Now, I will say, if you're looking to get into crypto trading without using your own mistakes, and you don't really understand fully yet what it is, I would go with this copy trading section. Copy trading is a unique way to begin your crypto journey. All right, this is copy trading classics. And what you're going to do is you're going to find someone that, like me, has been trading for 8 years, 10 years, whatever it is, and you will copy what they do. It takes away that human risk that you're going to give, because you know by looking at the analysis that Bybit give you from here, for example, hamster signals, okay, 59% ROI over all this time. They will show you exactly what they've done because it's all transparent. And then you decide if you want to copy. So for me, I would look at this 10x, 174% ROI. I would click on this. Okay, I can see they've been trading for 96 days. 85 people are copying them. He's doing very, very, very well. So I would just copy his trades. It's very easy, guys. Click copy. You don't have to do them yourself. This is not a long-term plan, in my opinion. I think you should learn how to trade, but using this copy feature while you're researching how to trade is a perfect way to keep an income coming inside the crypto market. And if you deposit $100 today, you're actually going to get $20 back. Okay, and to get that, all you have to do is KYC your account and make sure that deposit of $100 is accepted before 7 days is up. You cannot withdraw for 7 days, but that's an extra $20 to get involved in everything we're talking about in this video. You can literally trade anywhere, anytime, guys, on the App Store, Android, Google Play, download it to your phone. You can have it on your laptop, iPad, whatever it is. So you can never miss a trade. All right, you can, especially if you're copy trading, you can make sure that you're hitting every single trade that you need. So just that's the quick overview of the website. All right, very, very easy. Now, to actually begin in the trading, okay, if you go to trade, you can trade on the spot. And what that means is you are literally going in live on the market. So if I click trade spot, it's going to show me here, for you guys that don't understand, BTC to USDT is Bitcoin to to USDT. USDT is a stable token. So we're looking at Bitcoin price right now, and USDT is matched to the dollar. And we're looking at this, and if I want to copy someone, I go to the copy trade. If I have heard that Bitcoin's going to go crazy today, I can get him right this second without waiting anymore at this exact moment of what the price is. And that's good leverage for me because I can see right now that we are on a little bit of a pullback. It's red, which means the price is going down a little bit. So I might wait to see one big green candle before I start my journey into Bitcoin again. I've made a lot of profit with Bitcoin by using spot trading. You do need to know what you're doing, but as a basic, you can get into the market exactly where the market is. And like I mentioned before, we have the Bybit earn, okay? You can grow, manage your assets. And this is very, very interesting because what you should be setting out to do is learning how to trade crypto. But while you're doing that, have multiple passive incomes coming from the Web3 crypto space helping you. That's copy trading, that's Bybit earn, that's referrals, okay? So this will help fund your crypto trading. You don't need to use the money out of your bank, only for the initial time getting ready, okay? So with Bybit, you can see here, you can actually earn on Sol, you can earn on Doge, you can earn on BTC to USDT, which I just showed you, and you're actually gonna get this by staking these, okay, and earning a percent. So here, guys, you're gonna get 20 to 401%. That is unmatched. Okay, there's no one that does it like this. BTC here is basically like a little savings account. So if you want to just buy your token, stake them, and make rewards, you can do that here too. And I recommend doing that while you're learning to trade. So guys, that is a beginner's guide into how to get started with crypto trading. I would use Bybit and I would start on a demo account. Okay, a demo account just means that you're using fake money, a bit like Monopoly. All right, and you'll do that until you are profitable and then use your own money. But meanwhile, like I mentioned, you should be using the Bybit earn. You should be using the referral commissions. You should be using different ways to earn crypto. So when you are profitable on the fake money, okay, and you think I can go for real money now, you deposit the money that you've been earning. So you don't actually have to use your savings. You don't have to sell your house, okay? People think you have to sell your house, put 100,000 in Bitcoin, and then you make money. I've just told you the ways that you don't have to do that. And if you deposit $100 today, you're actually going to get $20 back. Okay, and to get that, all you have to do is KYC your account and make sure that deposit of $100 is accepted before 7 days is up. You cannot withdraw for 7 days, but that's an extra $20 to get involved in everything we're talking about in this video. Stay smart out there, guys. Hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the bell to be notified. The link down below for Bybit to get beginning now. Just try it on demo, completely free, and let's get to it. Let's start crypto trading.